Good morning everyone. Welcome to UN Digital class. I am Nirupama Misra, Department of Library and Information Science. Now we are discuss about the library catalog, its definition, objective and importance. Library catalog is a very important tool or very important asset which is focus the development of the library work. And if a user is coming first to the library, they want to know what the library collections, what the library has got the materials, those are maybe helpful for the users, and all the information of particular collection, particular development of the library should be reflected in the library catalog. Library catalog is a very important, very essential part of every library work. Now we started from the library catalog. Basically, library is the considered like the institutional heart. We say that library is the heart of the every institutions. Is that true? The catalog become the heart of the library. With the every increasing collection of the library, the catalog become the essential and very important part to locate the desired materials from the ocean of the books. Yes, library is the storehouse of knowledge. It collects all the materials, all the informations like ocean, like a sea, like a universe, and all the informations are stored in a systematically order. The library is collect all the information and arranged in a mannerable way. The catalog is help to holding or to display all the materials those are available in the library. It is a key to holding of the library which interpret and the document of the users, and it is a matter to connected, or it is a bridge create a connection about a library to a new user. The library catalog is a list of printed and non-printed materials accessible from a particular library. Yes, library is a collection of the printed and non-printed materials. Printed, those are in a printed format like your books, like your journals, magazines, those are known as the printed materials. Non-printed materials, those are in not a printed format like your manuscript, like your cartography materials, like your microforms informations, internet informations, any other online documents, those are not in a printed form. Those are known as the non-printed or non-book materials. Those are accessible in the library, and library catalog is a list of all those materials. It discloses to the readers the list of library collection and help to access all the information. Or we can say that it is enable the users to find out what document is presented and where available in the library. If we go to the definition, the catalog term is, the term catalog is originated from a Greek word that is kata and logos. Kata means according and logos means sometimes order, sometimes accordingly. So, in the proper meaning is that the catalog is the arrangement of the reading materials in reasonable manners or reasonable order in a particular library. Catalog is a work in which list of documents are arranged in a reasonable way to define a particular collection of a particular library. If we go to famous cataloger C. A. Cutter, in his book Rule of Dictionary Catalog, which is published in the 1876, he defined that catalog is a list of books which is arranged on the some defined plan. Yes, he defined that the bibliography word. What is the meaning of bibliography? Bibliography means the list of documents. Documents, those are connected to the books, to non-books, both are in the part of bibliography. The C. A. Cutter defined that the catalog is a list of books which are arranged in a systematical order in a particular library. According to Brown, Brown is another author who is defined his definitions. He will discuss about the catalog is always a logical arrangement. Yes, he defined it is a logical arrangement. That means all the books those are available in the library, those are in a particular order, particularly logically arranged with the contents. Content means their author, their subject and by the subject. S. R. Ranganathan, who is the father of library science in Indian content, which he discussed in his book The Fundamental and Practice of Catalog, which is published in the 1938. He focused 2 points. One is subject, second one is author. He gave information about the arrangement and order which the books are arranged in the shelves. It helps to readers find out the desired book, those are interested or those are required by a particular user, which will be arranged in the sequence by the subject or by the author. The user can easily access the books through the subject or by the authors. His definition will be definedly and clearly discussed about the 5 law of library science, and he is discussed the basic function and what is the actually importance of the library catalog in his book 5 law of library science. To summarize the definition, we can say that the library catalog is a systematically arranged list of books, periodicals, manuscripts, maps, films, audio records, other graphical materials. Yes, I will already say that the library is a collection or library catalog is arranging all the detailed information about printed and non-printed materials. It contains the whole bibliographical information. Bibliographical information is point out that the author, the title, the publisher, the edition, the year of publications, many other information of a particular element and particular object. Or we can say that the library catalog is a list of books and other reading materials available in a particular library. It contains entire document collection to a systematic and recognized order. It gives a bibliographical information of the documents such as author, title, through the edition, through the place of publication, publisher, date of publication in each and every entry, which will describe the proper identification of a document. It also the catalog also give the location number of a document such as through the call number and access number where the document actually available in the library. Then come to the function of library catalog. The function of library catalog is based on the Cotter theory. Cotter will be enabling 3 content of the information or 3 pointing information through which the cataloger or catalog can be defined their functions. First one, if a user come to the library, he should know the author name, the title name, the subject name. Yes, the user can access all the information through the 3 aspects, by the author, by the title or by the subject. And second point is that to show what the library has. Yes, if the library can show what the library has by like the author, by subject or by literature, the user can easily access or easily know that what the library have. Then third point is that to assist in the choice of the books by the edition or by the character. If a user come to the library, he always want to know the first or latest edition. This the reasons the catalog should be follow the additional year and editor's details. Okay, all the objectives are defined. The first objective is that to enabling person to find out books through the author, through the title and through the subject. This objective is defined that or inform that the availability and non-availability of the information in a particular reading material in the library. The readers may approach the catalog through the name of author or through the title. But if any cases the user can forget the author name and the title name, he can approach the book by the subject. In the great number of the cases, we can see that the reader does not approach the name of author or title, but he or she can approach the subject through a particular subject and he get the information throughout this subject approach. Second point is that to show what the library has. Okay, the second objective is so that what a library has. The catalog lists all the work of a particular author available in the library collections. The library collection defined all the variety of information in a systematic order. That the reasons the user can easily access all the information through the variety of content, like the subject approach or like by the given literary details. Third point is that to assist the choice of the books as is the edition and the character. Yes, if the catalog is described, the descriptive cataloging. Descriptive cataloging means every bit of information those are based in a particular element of the book or any other materials. It will be described very essentially, very easily, that the reasons the each and every document should be identified and similar information are not confused to the users. Okay. Then what are the purpose of the library catalog? The purpose of library catalog totally based on the 5 law of library science, which is published or which is written by the S.R. Ranganathan. The 5 law will be focused and define the basic importance and purpose of the library catalog. First law of library science is books are for use. In this accessibility, the library collection through a well-designed physical form of the catalog as well as the inner structure of the catalog entered and their organizations. The book are for use. The first law is that the book are for use. Students, you all are known, the first law defined the books are for use, not for the sale or not for the preserves. In that case, every books had right to get a users. In that case, if a user not be accessible or not be identify a particular book, it is not easy to access in the subjectal approach. In that case, the catalog should be held a structural organizing of the library collection to the users, that the reasons user can easily identify and easily know what the library has collected. Second law is every reader his book. Yes, every reader has a book, or every readers have right to get every information in that physical form. The internal structure of the library designed in the variety way which the user or handicapped person can easily access all the information those are available in the library. Third law is every books its reader. Every books has collect to the library for a reader. Like that, every books have a found a lover who can enjoy the books. In that way, the entire document of the collection should be hidden in a particular content. Many times, if the books are very large in the novels or any other related in literal informations, the user cannot find the particular information. In that case, the fifth law is library books its every books its reader it should be hidden. In that case, the library catalog helps to users to identify and to contain the actual information which are collected by the library. Fourth law is save the time of readers. Yes, it is possible because of catalog. If the catalog is sincerely prepared and it is defined the every bit of information like subject, like author, like title, like publisher, like edition, additional years, the user can easily and speedily access all the information, and also the catalog can find information through the vast of collection. So, in that way the save of the time of the reader and staffs both are possible if the catalog is prepared in very mannerable way. The last law is library is a growing organism. Yes, library is always growing because of the students, because of the library staffs and because of the stock collections, or we can say that the collection of the materials. In that way, every collection should be defined in logical way. If the library only collect all the information, but no users can need or no user can find their basic information through the library has useless. Is that way, the library always focus on the classification and cataloging both processing work to identify and to connect the users to their books. Basically, if a user come to the library, he expect and he always curious some questions, that is like, is a particular book in the library? Which books by particular author in the library collection? Is there books in the library which such and such titles in their book in the library which should be translated by revised by compiler, any other information like a particular information. Which are books in the library and which books are in the based on a particular series. Is that book is this subject? It is provide bibliographical information, and the purpose of library catalog to define, to analyze, to possible as soon as possible we can access, we can easily understood, we can easily provide all the informational query answers to the students. How it is possible? It is possible because of the catalog. Yes, we prepare a catalog and the catalog define the basic information about the variety of questions, like is this books is available in library? Yes, because through catalog we can access those books. If it is a translated books, yes or not, it is accessible or it is easily accessible by the library catalog. All those questions should be answered and very easily answered by the using of library catalog. Then what is the importance of the library catalog? Actually, the library catalog is the basic and fundamental concept of define the library work. If the library work does not properly managed, does not properly accessible or does not properly workable, the library users cannot define the particular document in the shelf. Is that the way the importance of library catalog should be increased in day by day? The above function performed by a library catalog, we can say that the above discussion, we can point out some concepts. Those are, is an essential tool for locating of the books from the library collection. Yes, we can easily locate the books through the library catalog. Without a catalog, a library recognized as a human without eyes. Yes, library catalog like a eyes or like a window of a house, who can easily access and multivariate of the air content in the room. Most of the books deals with the previous subject. Catalog reveal the various aspects of a book. Okay, the books is based on subject, based on title or based on the author. It is easy to locate the users to the vast collection of the books, and library catalog help the users. Also, it is check the duplication work, and it is help the maintenance of the balance in the collections. The importance of library catalog is much and very much essential for the open access system. Open access system which the user can easily go to the library collections, they connect direct to the library and collect all their information direct without any help of library staffs. The importance of the library catalog, if the reading materials is arranged in a classified order. Yes, library catalog is easy and possible through the classified order. Yes, if the classification is properly managed, classification is properly arranged, the cataloging easy. Cataloger is that who prepared the catalog. Okay. The cataloger easy to arrange and prepare a catalog through the classification scheme. The indisciplined tools of the selections to the library which can easily information collect and provide the users to access and to enable to join the interest of the students. This is the example of library catalog. You can see that this is call number, this is name of the author, title, subtitle, name of the authors, editions, okay. Additional relationship, then name of the publications, year of publications, publishers, preliminary pages, volume, other information. ISSN number is that International Standard Series number. It is only for the serial publications, and this is the other materials like series, seasonal edit. Note area is that note area, then ISBN number, International Standard Book number, then it is your tracing and it is the punch hole. Then it is your accessor number. Those number are easy, those number are helping to the users to collect and to locate where the information or where the book is available. And last one is conclusion. Conclusion is define all the discussion where already above we discussed that we found a library catalog serve as a pattern of fetching tools to discover and access the library materials in a particular collections. A library catalog may be defined as a list of documents and other material organized in systematic order available in a library. The catalog purpose to serve as a guide to the collection of materials acquired from the library, and preliminary the library catalog is very important to locate and to access all the information those are available in a particular library. It is easy to every kind of users to collect and to access the variety of information those are actually available in a particular library, and it is very helping and guide to users to locate and collect information those are actually users need. It is also help to the users and both the staff of the library, because both are connected to the quaternary information, and library catalog should be arranged and systematically about all the information those are available in a library. Thank you. Hope you all are enjoy.